So today we are at Rustam Rice, and slightly there's some light here, so there's some issue with clarity. But so you can see the Gujarati slogan here, and today we are with Mr. Ronak, and he'll tell us more. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello.
So can you tell me more about the concept, the food concepts here, and how did you come up with this fusion concept of Marathi and Parsi cuisine?
So we are serving a simple good food here.
Okay.
We have two variety form of soups.
Okay.
There are two types of rice that we are serving.
Right.
There is soya keema patties, which is kind of a all-day breakfast thing that we have.
Right.
And we have caramel custard in dessert.
Right.
All the food that we are serving is simple good food, no Ajinomoto, no added color.
Right.
The rice variety that we use is a parboiled version of a rice which has the least amount of starch in it. Even the patties that we are serving is shallow fried and not deep fried. We make our own ketchup. So simple good food is what we are serving. Also the food that we are serving is very convenient to eat. Even the, like for example in soya pudina rice, the soya chunk is so small that it won't fall off your spoon. There is no mirchi का टुकड़ा और करी लीव in that rice. So आपको खाते वक्त कुछ बाजू को निकाल के रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So it is very convenient to eat as well.
Okay.
So you can eat the rice in your office as well, and then there are 3 sizes in that rice. So as per the appetite you can eat.
Okay, and you were telling me about the heirloom recipe, of the mutton keema patties, what you received. So is that sort of the inspiration behind this fusion?
Of course. So this recipe that we have converted that recipe of mutton keema patties into a vegetarian one. So the patties that we are serving is a vegetarian version of a recipe which is I have got that recipe from my grandmom, and we have also fusioned that recipe with a Parsi version of it. And here it is. So this is our soya keema patties.
So this is the soya keema patties.
We serve this with a ketchup that is made by us. It's a real ketchup.
Okay.
In all the sense, no preservatives, no added color, no Ajinomoto, there is not even a thickening agent in this ketchup.
Right. So this seems interesting. Have a bite.
Dada.
Nice.
Rice is direct. You're full, right?
So this is it. There's a write-up also here, where in Hindi, Marathi and English, where he talks about the whole basis of this establishment. And you can see the way it's, the placement. It's in a very nice niche here in the corner of the road. So it just sticks out like this. So this is what I find very interesting. Some of the things in the menu: your anda rice, soya pudina rice, dansak soup, soya keema patties, aparjita sharbat. So these are not very common. In other Iranis, you're not going to find hibiscus sharbat and aparjita sharbat. So completely different. Great. So I'll put your contact number in the description, and also the contact address. And what are your plans?
We are simply there on Prabhat Road.
You are there on Prabhat Road, lane number 2.
Road, lane number 2, just exactly opposite of Deccan Gymkhana's lawn tennis court.
Okay. And do you deliver all across Pune? Through Zomato, Swiggy? You are there on Zomato, Swiggy?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Great, nice.
And
Best
we are
luck.
closed on Mondays.
You are closed on
And
Mondays.
we open from 12 noon to 10 p.m.
12 noon to 10 p.m.
Yeah.
And what are your plans on expansion? Anything you can give?
Right now we are not planning to expand much.
Okay.
I think this is a stage at which we are trying to be consistent more.
Okay.
So we are trying our best to keep our recipes intact and try with the similar energy every day. I think that's the focus right now.
Okay, fine.
But we will definitely expand soon.
Right. Best of luck. And great work with the fusion cuisine concept.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.